Brianna, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So I'm going to skip all the intro stuff and get straight into the unboxing. If you are new to my channel, I had a 2020 MacBook Air. It didn't work out, and so I ended up selling that to get this Pro, and I got the 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro with the 10th Gen i5 processor, 16 gigabytes of memory, and 512 gigabytes of storage. So I've been waiting for this package all day, so we're just going to get straight into the unboxing. There it is. And I got this from Best Buy for $200 off. They're having a promo, so this was a really good deal on the brand new MacBook Pro. So here it is in its glory. I got the color Space Gray. I had the gold MacBook Air, but this one doesn't come in gold, and so I got the Space Gray, which it looks really pretty. It also is going to match my iPad. So here's the MacBook. Let's open it. As I learned from my last MacBook unboxing, they always have these tabs to make it easier. Here's the box. Okay, so I'm going to bring you guys in closer because I know that you want to see the MacBook and not me. And my MacBook is so warm, guys. This is the Texas summer heat. Okay, we'll get to this in a little bit. This is just all the Apple stuff with the stickers, and I believe the stickers will be Space Gray. Yes, Space Gray stickers. And the manual, all that stuff. Then here we have the charging brick and the cable, and this cable is a USB-C fast charger, and I also believe this charger for the MacBook Pro is supposed to be, I think it's a little bit bigger than the Air charger was. Okay, so let's get to the good stuff. Here's the MacBook in Space Gray. It's really pretty. It's kind of darker than I thought it would be, but I actually really like it. Let's see if it starts. And it's already starting up on its own. So this is the one that has the touch bar, which I'm really excited about. I'm not sure how much I'll actually use it. And also the trackpad looks to be larger than it was on my 2020 MacBook Air. So let's just get this thing all set up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so my MacBook is all set up. This is what the touch bar looks like. It's pretty cool. So you can control the things like your volume, brightness, and all of that. They have the thing for Siri, and then different notifications that come up on here will pop up on your touch bar. Okay guys, so that is my unboxing video. A couple of things about this MacBook are I got the higher end model, so I have 4 Thunderbolt ports. There's 2 on each side, so I can charge from the left side or the right side, and there's also a headphone jack. This has the larger Force Touch trackpad, the Magic Keyboard, and the touch bar, which I'm super excited to use. Long story short is I had owned a 2015 MacBook Air for 5 years. I used it in college. I also edited videos. It's where I started my YouTube channel on, doing Final Cut Pro, iMovie, Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, all that stuff. So this year I wanted to get a new MacBook, and I thought that since I had used the Air before, the new 2020 Air with the upgraded processor and all that stuff would be fine, but it just didn't really work out for me. It was really slow to edit, and it was just really kind of taking away from my productivity and trying to edit and put out videos. So I ended up selling that MacBook Air and ordering this MacBook Pro from Best Buy. Luckily, when I bought it, there was a special for $200 off, so I got the $1799 model for $1599, which is amazing, and it only took 8 days to ship. So with everything going on, it actually was a pretty fast delivery time. So I'm going to be making so much more videos from my MacBook Pro. Hopefully you guys will subscribe and stick around to check out my videos. I post a lot of videos about Apple products now because I just got this MacBook Pro and also the 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch. So hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye y'all. It's so beautiful, guys. Look at it. I love this space gray. I really do.